Hello, good day, Mom, Sir. I'm Carmen Sabanal Mamak, but you can call me Kai. I am 36 years old from the Philippines. I am happily married with three kids, age 17, 15, and 13. They are all studying in high school. My husband's name is Paul Brian Mamak, and he is working as a security guard. I have 10 siblings, 9 girls, and 1 boy. I am ninth from our siblings. Mom, sir, I have work experience here in the Philippines and abroad. My duties are doing all household chores, taking care of children and kids, taking care of pets, um, car washing, gardening, and going to market. I am responsible, dedicated, kids loving, and a happy person. I am hardworking and willing to learn new things. I am looking forward to be part of your family. Mom, sir, if I will be given a chance, I will do my job well to the best that I can to serve your family better. Thank you so much and God bless.